We've all been sat in a meeting or a lecture, maybe even an interview, and took notes and recorded a section, and then you just know you have to deal with transcription and get more note taking later to make those things make sense. Sure, on your Android phone you can use an application to handle some of that, but they never quite work out how they should. And that's why, as a lazy note taker myself, I've been testing the Comulytic Note Pro AI note taker. This is a 0.12 inch ultra slim device. It's about as thick as a credit card that basically acts as a personal meeting attendant, but in your pocket. It's tiny enough to travel with me everywhere, literally the size of a credit card as I noted, and it sticks to the back of your phone with MagSafe or Pixel Snap thanks to a lovely little PU leather wallet sleeve which comes in a box. We're talking about a triple threat AI note taker here that fully transcribes your meetings, your conversations, interviews or lectures, and it's all powered by GPT-5, Gemini and Whisper. It might look like it, but this is not just a basic recorder. It's what I'd call an all-in-one client service intelligence device. It offers 360-degree client decoding and an AI-powered feature which I love called Ask Comulytic, where you can literally interrogate those meetings, recordings, whatever you want to call them, to find that one specific detail you missed. And I personally love that this allows me to just focus on the meeting while having all those key details logged from multiple speakers, even with incredible multilingual accuracy, which means they can be speaking in a foreign language and it'll be able to pick that up and translate it for me as well. It's all recorded and cut up into summaries with action or actionable items, also created within minutes of things being wrapped up, making your life and my life a hell of a lot easier. Just check out the detail Comulytic is able to gather from this lecture that I listened to. You can even have it generate things like client emails if you've been in a client call, and get industry specific templates to save you more time and therefore money. Activation is as simple as a long button press. You'll get a quick vibration to indicate things have started, click to pause or start recording again if you need to, and a long press saves it to the onboard storage for syncing later. It's super easy. But let's get into the weeds of why this actually could benefit you. Most AI tools out there that are similar to this have annoying 300 or so minute monthly recording limits. Comulytic though actually gives you free unlimited transcription and summaries. To be 100% transparent, having no monthly fees to bleed you dry I think is a huge differentiator in this space. Another benefit is that one press operation, so there's no manual switching between phone calls, video conferences or in-person meetings. It just works with 98% accuracy across 113 languages. You'll likely have your transcript ready as well before your morning coffee even has a chance to cool down. And in my case, it's excellent at cutting through jargon with giving me an integral rundown of what I need to know. The hardware is equally solid for its tiny size, allowing you to get a 45-hour battery life, 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, and it has 107-day standby time, all with a quick 1.5-hour charge with the in-the-box charger. It even has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart Sync to keep everything seamless once you set it up. The setup process is super simple. Download from the Google Play Store and you can just set this up from there. In the box, you also get the device, 3 magnetic accessories and an OTG adapter if you need it. You can get this in 3 colors as well to suit your phone or your device case. One thing I really appreciate is the portability, as I've noted, and why I've loved using it for meetings recently and especially important calls. It works perfectly with Pixel Snap, so I can actually carry it magnetically attached to my phone when I go into briefings, and it isn't adding any bulk. As I say, it's a dead cert for briefings, meetings, interviews, or when you're on the move and need to take notes and don't want to fumble for a separate notebook or a pen in a bag or a satchel. If you do a lot of client-facing work or just want to be more engaged in your meetings, heck, even students who want those study notes from lectures, I think it's a really neat extra learning or professional tool that does not distract you. If you want to make your life easier, then check the link in the description. If you pick one up between now and February 26, 2026, you'll get a 90-day premium app plan trial included as well. Plus, use the code down in the description below at checkout for an extra $10 off. And I want to say thanks to Comulytic sponsoring 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube.